Good evening and a warm welcome to the Heal Security Dispatch Daily Digest, your go-to source for the latest in cybersecurity trends and expert insights, proudly presented by Heal Security. I'm Richard Simmons, joining you from London, ready to explore the vital nexus of healthcare and cybersecurity intelligence today. Today is Thursday, the 8th of May, 2025. Join us as we explore the complex terrain of cybersecurity in the digital world. A malicious package on the Python Package Index (PyPi) platform has been distributing a remote access Trojan (RAT) malware, specifically targeting Discord developers since 2022. This package, harboring dangerous code, has evaded detection for quite some time, highlighting the ongoing risks and vulnerabilities within open-source software ecosystems. The incident underscores the critical need for enhanced security measures and vigilance among developers using widely accessible development platforms. Hackers compromised the dark web leak site of the LockBit ransomware group, stealing and leaking data from its backend infrastructure, including a MySQL database containing 20 tables of operational data. The breach was confirmed by the LockBit operator, who stated that no private keys were leaked, though experts suggest the exposed data could aid in developing decryption tools. The incident's perpetrator remains unidentified, but evidence suggests a possible connection to a recent Everest ransomware hack. Cyber attackers recently targeted Marks and Spencer and Co-op by deceiving IT personnel into resetting passwords, gaining unauthorized system access. This social engineering tactic underscores the vulnerabilities organizations face when personnel are manipulated into bypassing security protocols. The incidents highlight the need for enhanced cybersecurity training and awareness among IT staff to prevent such breaches. SonicWall has released security patches for 3 vulnerabilities in its SMA-100 series devices, which may allow attackers to execute code with root privileges. These security flaws have the potential to let cybercriminals gain unauthorized access and take full control of affected systems. Users are urged to apply these patches promptly to safeguard their networks. Microsoft's OneDrive update now allows automatic syncing of personal and corporate accounts, prompting security concerns. This new feature could result in inadvertent data transfer to personal accounts, heightening the risk of data breaches. IT professionals are advised to establish protective policies to prevent unauthorized data exfiltration. Significant vulnerabilities identified in the IXON VPN client, tracked as CVE 2025-26168 and CVE 2025-26-169, enable local attackers to escalate privileges on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS systems. These issues, found in versions prior to 1.4.4, are due to file handling flaws. IXON has responded by releasing a patch urging organizations to update promptly and adopt further security measures. Google has identified a sophisticated data theft malware used by a Russian state-sponsored threat actor, Advanced Persistent Threat (APT), in targeted attacks. The malware has been employed in selected cases, highlighting ongoing cybersecurity risks from nation-state actors. This discovery underscores the importance of vigilance and advanced security measures in protecting sensitive information from such cyber threats. Thank you for listening. I'm Richard Simmons. We appreciate your time and listening. I am excited to have you with us again tomorrow for more insightful updates. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe for continuous coverage and expert analysis, and sign up for a free trial of Heal Security Desktop at healsecurity.com. Until we meet again, don't have nightmares. Stay informed and secure in the digital world.